Lessons 1 through 4 for grades 4 through 6 are all about introducing your students to well-being and mindfulness to help them set intentions for being their best selves. Before I review the lessons, please know that while we suggest pacing times for each lesson, you can absolutely chunk the lessons up or narrow them down in any way you need to meet the needs of your classroom routine. Lesson 1, which is called Let's Get Started, is where you'll introduce well-being to your students. For this lesson, we recommend you dedicate 40 minutes plus additional time to complete the Well-Being and Me handout. And you may need dictionaries or computers, chart paper and markers, and a whiteboard or smartboard. In this lesson, you'll tap into your students' background knowledge of well-being, why well-being is important, and brainstorm what well-being is, and independently reflect on what well-being looks like, sounds like, and feels like to them. Lesson 2 is the road to mindfulness. For this lesson, we recommend dedicating 40 minutes, and you may need dictionaries, computers, small pieces of different kinds of food for the Tasting with Mindfulness experiment, and a whiteboard or smartboard. In this lesson, you'll introduce and practice mindfulness with your students and discuss why it's helpful to our well-being. You'll also have fun with a Tasting with Mindfulness experiment, as well as breathing with mindfulness and other suggested activities. Lesson 3 is the road to setting intentions. For this lesson, we recommend dedicating 40 minutes, and you may need dictionaries or computers, chart paper and markers, and a whiteboard or smartboard. This lesson is all about learning the difference between setting goals and setting intentions in order to set students up for success for Lesson 4, which is acting with intention. We recommend dedicating 40 minutes to Lesson 4, and you may need chart paper and markers as well as a whiteboard or smartboard. In this lesson, students will take what they learned about well-being, mindfulness, and setting intentions to formulate those intentions they want to make in order to try to be the best versions of themselves. And that's lessons 1 through 4 for grades 4 through 6 in a nutshell. I hope this video was a helpful overview for you. But if you need any further support, you can always contact us through the Education Plus website. We hope you enjoy bringing well-being and mindfulness to your students.